Hey, Geography. Hope you had a nice weekend. I worked on my quarantine beard over the weekend a little bit. Might go with a straight mustache at some point here. We'll see how it flows together. Um, let's see. On last gold day, you should have hopefully finished up that little short summative on Europe. Starting this week, we're going to move on to our next continent of Africa. And to start it off, just like we usually do, we're going to do an African scavenger hunt. So you're going to need your geography textbook here. It will say it all in the quiz, but it starts on page 402. All right, so we're jumping ahead a bit. As usual, follow along. Make sure you pay attention to what pages you're on. All right, because once you move on to a page, you're going to stay there for a second or two. A couple questions. Um, the scavenger hunt that you're going to take, all right, it's a bit longer. It's like 38 questions, all right? So I know that it'll probably, some of you might fly through it, which is great. Some of you might take a little bit longer. I want to give people plenty of time to finish it up, and so they're not rushing and falling behind and everything and spending an hour on my class and no time on other classes. So I'm going to give you today, all right, that's Gold Day 10, Maroon Day 10, Gold Day 11, and Maroon Day 11 by noon. You need to have this done, all right? At exactly noon, I'm going to go in and put in the attendance again, and as usual, if you don't have it done, you get marked absent. So you have a little bit of time to do it, but that doesn't mean I don't want you to plug away on it and at least show me that you're working on it a little bit, all right? So don't just blow it off. But you technically have until now Thursday at noon to get it in, all right? Again, some of you might fly through it, but it is a bit longer, and some of you will end up taking a little bit longer to finish it up, which is fine. But make sure to get that in. Otherwise, I hope you had a good weekend. I'm missing you guys. I'm getting kind of bored sitting in my classroom doing these. I'd rather have you guys here. So hope you guys are all doing well. Continue to message me on Schoology. Continue to pay attention to those messages on Schoology that I send out. They usually contain some good information or important information. I like to hear from you guys too. Overall, I just miss you guys. Have a good one. Finish this up by Thursday, all right? Have a good one.